to School Science Project. Today we are going to purify water with the help of alum and a process called decantation. So let's start. First, we need to pour dirty water into a glass so we can observe it carefully. Then we need to tie a medium-sized rope with an alum. I have already done it. After that, we need to submerge it into the dirty water. First, we need to stir it for some time. Then you can keep it for 1 hour. Now let's enjoy the time lapse. Now you can see that water is so much cleaner and dirt particles are settled down. After that, we need to remove the alum very slowly so that dirt particles do not mix. Now we will use the process decantation. We need to pour the relatively cleaner water into another container. We do not have to interfere with the dirt particles. You can see that water is so much cleaner. Now, how does it works or what is the science behind it? Well, the alum acts as a coagulant which attracts and binds with soil particles that make bigger particles and settle down easily and takes less time to settle. Important note, don't drink this water. This you can use it washing clothes, but do not drink as some particles are still there. There are some other ways to clean this water, such as filtration, decantation and sedimentation. We will cover those on the next videos. Till the next time, bye.